Yep, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 of these are going out today. So, just letting you know that we are taking care of business. So we do some of our sewing here. And we do have a bunch of them here. Here's where we do a final cleanup, check and make sure there are no dust or particles that just need to be dusted off, because we are using a bunch of natural fibers. And just wanted to show you, this is an awesome product. Kapok. It's awesome. Makes the best pillows that I've ever had the pleasure to try out. Yeah, your friends at White Lotus Home does this for you. We have plenty of more and more and more going out. We're getting ready to go. The packaging, shipped in. And again, all you got to do is go to whitelotushome.com and we'll take care of you. Take care.